But with that being said, let's get right into Uber Pro, man. Uber Pro status is not protected. You got to protect it, baby.
So I got this email from Uber. So last quarter, I didn't make it to any status.
Dun, dun, dun.
But this quarter, I'm gonna make it to gold at least, Chris. If not, maybe. What's the next one? Platinum? Yeah. So gold is in the bag.
Then you got diamond.
Yeah, then I'm not gonna get there. Well, I'm doing more trips, so to figure things out. But anyway, so let's meet the required standard to maintain your Uber Pro status. Now, Uber Pro status is dependent on the city you're in, the state you're in. Uber has all these different thresholds, qualifications for that. In California, don't hate the messenger, okay, please. In order to get Uber Pro status, the threshold in California is by points. We don't have acceptance rate problems. That's probably because of Prop 22. But we do have a cancellation rate threshold, which is 4%. First of all, I don't do a trip. I don't cancel, Chris, because if I ain't going to do it, I'm just not going to accept it. I mean, period.
Well,
it's like,
there are certain things where you may have to cancel the trip.
No, I know.
Because of factors that are beyond yours. Like I said earlier, too many people in the car or trying to get in the car. Are you going to take 5 people instead of 4 when your car only fits 4? Are you going to take that liability?
No. I don't get me wrong. But what I'm saying is that, most of the time, well, not most of the time, as you can see, the cancellation rate is 0. So, but I got this email. I don't know why, but then a driver sent it to me on the last screenshot, the third one. But it says, "Hi, Sergio, your Uber Pro status protection has ended today." That was December 2nd. That's the day that Uber went from the AR and CR now is calculated off of the last 100 trips as opposed to 200. And that coincided with that. As a reminder, on 12/2, we updated how we calculate your acceptance and cancellation rates in your city. Your acceptance and cancellation rate look back window. Who writes this shit? Uber. Look back window.
I'm sorry, I blocked off my window. I tinted it. You can't see.
Anyway, updated from your last 200. So I didn't know what this meant. And I'm like, okay, but I didn't even have status to protect to start with. Now, if this was next quarter, I would have had gold or platinum status to protect. So I go, what the heck? And then, of course, we have this like telepathic relationship with the audience. And literally while I'm like trying to figure out what this is, I get an email. It says, "What is this, Serge?" It happened to be a driver with an Uber Pro status. And he got this email. He goes, "Protect your status. For your great service, we've added an extra 3 months to your platinum status, which you can use for any 3-month Uber Pro period. Think of it like a platinum pass." Cool. You don't need to earn the usual points. Just activate status protection and you'll be platinum no matter how many points you earn. Wonderful. How did I earn this? Blah, blah, blah. When can I use it? You can use this one-time status pass protection now. So if you click restore now, go. You're going to protect your platinum status or gold status or diamond status. So if you guys got this, I hope you protected your status as opposed to, not, because you should have. But and I know many of you do go, you full-timers, they're mostly platinum and diamond drivers, not because they want to be, but they drive a lot more. But so now that I'm going to be gold at the end of this quarter, maybe Uber will send me the protection status as well. I don't know.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past 1.5 years, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time Make more money and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Honestly, I love how Uber loves their, and so proud of their Uber Pro statuses. They're so proud of it. And I look at it, I'm like, bro,
what does it get you again?
I could wipe my ass with that. Huh?
What's it get you? You know, I looked at the gold benefits. There's a lot of benefits. No, I'm just kidding.
There's benefits, but it's like, it doesn't benefit me in any way. I don't give a shit. So to be honest, I've never cared about it. But the problem with the look back window, the look back window that they're phrasing, or taking it out of 100 rides instead of 200, that means now for every 100 trips that you take, you can't cancel more than 4 because it's that 4%. Yes. Before that, it used to be 8. Yes. So yeah.
Well, also you can, you know, this may matter to a lot of people who are in the advantage versus standard cities, states, whatever. So, you know, to bump your
Julio, they haven't had a free cookie in God knows how long. And every time you go get the Subway cookie, they weren't there.
No,
I got the Subway cookie once.
Did you guys hear, by the way, Dara is quitting? Did you guys hear that? Dara is going to quit, and you know, I'm
kidding. Well, that's what I think that's what we talked about. We talked about that a while ago, didn't we?
Yeah.
Earlier this year, maybe.
I don't like the way he looks these days. I mean, physically. He used to be like in shape and stuff. Now I watch his interviews. His hands are all shaky and stuff. I don't know what's going on with Dara. So I'm like, all this bad juju.
I mean, he's living in San Francisco,
putting on him,
so maybe
karma, you know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know anything.
Maybe he's stepping too much human poo-poo.
Yeah, I know. But all the Twitter abuse he gets, right? So, but long story short, so
you know what?
Yeah,
it's like you know how you watch like Obama go in the office, come out, and he's like aged like 40 years. It's probably the same thing there. It's just that there's so many drivers quitting. I don't know what to do. Why are no rides being accepted? I don't know what to do. Maybe you should watch Show Me the Money Club, and then you'll know what to do.
Those two bastards, Show Me the Money guys. You know,
oh my God, they cost us millions. It cost us millions, and drivers aren't accepting. What the hell?
Our acceptance rates crashing nationwide. Yeah, what's happening? But anyway, long story short,
you know what? Actually, I'm going to give you a quick little update because Joe's not here and his video won't be coming out for a couple more weeks. He's had the pay change in Minnesota with the new rates. His acceptance rate has doubled. It went from like 25 or 26 or something like that. It's at like 50 something right now.
Well, he's working on the top off.
He said, and that's what he said. He said his is going to go up much. So right there you go. You're going to see acceptance rates go back up to where they would be if you just paid drivers their fair share.
Exactly. Very easy. Uber is a very easy thing to do. You know, pay Seattle, pay more, fair pay. You know, we're not asking, you know, look, a lot of you are going to say, I want to make $80 an hour. That's not going to happen. Fair pay, 30, you know, I mean, look, man, you know, we'll accept more trips. I mean, I don't know how I'm like at 400 points almost in gold in a month. So, well, no, month, like in, I don't know, like month and a couple of weeks. I'll definitely go to gold.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.